Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a sheet metal practice model in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial we will learn the basic commands of Autodesk Inventor sheet metal and construct this basic part. Okay, so let's get started. Go to new, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch and we will select the exit plane. This will be the top view. You can see here, rotate. Now first go to rectangle command. And here we are going to take 2-point rectangle. Make a 2-point rectangle. Go to dimension. This width here will be 54.15. Okay. And the height will be 29.5. Okay. Now escape. Now take the vertical constraint. Select the center point and select the center point. Similarly, take the horizontal constraint. Select the center point and the center point. Okay. Now this is fully constrained. Now go to circle command, or you can take here arc command. Take the center point arc and make the arc profile. Join here and here. Okay. Now take the circle command. From same center point, make a circle over here. Go to dimension. Define this diameter as 22.5. Okay. Now select this point and select this point. Define this distance as 27.5. Okay. Now you can see all the profile is been moving. So go to horizontal constraint, select the center point, select center point of circle. Okay. Now you can see it is constrained. Escape. Drag it outside and drag this also outside. Okay. Now from here we are going to constrain this. Go to dimension, select the center point and select the center. Here we will define the center as 16.25. Okay. Now exit from the dimension, zoom in. Now here go to line command and make a center line. Make a center line till this center point. Escape. Now here go to mirror command. Select the circle to mirror. Go to mirror line and select the center line. Apply and done. Okay. Now select this. Make it a construction geometry. Okay. Now here, okay, we want to mirror this also. Go to mirror. Select this arc. Go to mirror line and select the center line. Apply and done. Okay. Now I don't want this line here. Okay. So you can make it a trim entity, or to make it more easy, okay, we have to trim this. Okay, go to trim this inner profile, trim this. Okay, we want this edge, side edge. Select this for trim, select this and select this. Okay, now it is not constrained, so here you can define this. Okay, and define this also. Okay, it is constrained already. So what else we can define here? Escape, select it. Okay, it has been moving. So go to dimension, define from center point. Okay, now this is constrained properly. Okay, now you can see here also fully constrained. So this is the final sketch. Now go to finish sketch and here take the face command and select this profile. Okay, click on apply. Now here the by default thickness of this will be 0.5. So go to sheet metal defaults. Here you can see the thickness 0.5 mm. Uncheck this and change it to 1.2. Okay, and apply. Exit. Now here we have constructed this top face. Now we will construct this L bending. Okay, go to flange command, select this bottom edge and here we will give the dimension as 32.5. rotate the profile and select this side edge also. Go to edge selection and select this bottom edge. Apply. Okay. Now here select this outer edge, rotate and select this outer edge. Here we are going to take the dimension of 6 mm and press OK. Okay, so this will be the L bending. Now we want a cut profile. This cut profile we will give. For this cut profile, go to the origin and here we will select the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch and here take the line command, or you can take the rectangle. Select 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile over here. And here we will take 3-point arc and make arc profile. Join here and join here. Go to the vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, so this is vertically aligned. Now here go to dimension. For dimension, give this radius as 6.25. Okay, and the height from bottom will be 14 mm. Okay, so this is also fully constrained. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select the profile, take here symmetric and take here cut. Okay, and from here we will change it to all. So this will be a through cut. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges and press OK. So this is a through cut. Okay, now I think till here the tutorial will be clear. Now here we have a notching profile. Okay, so first we are going to make this cut profile and then we will make this profile. Okay, for the cut profile, select this face, go to create sketch and here take the rectangle and select 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle profile over here, go to dimension and here select this height as 12.5. Okay, and the width here will be of 15 mm. Go to vertical constraint, select the center of this rectangle and select this yellow center. Okay, okay, it is not aligned properly till now. Select here. Okay, now this is aligned. Now finish sketch and here go to cut and here we will not cut up to thickness. So here we will take the 2 times of thickness. So the thickness is 1.2. So we will take 2.4. Okay, and press OK. Here you can see the cut. Now I am going to make this top profile. So for the top profile, first we are going to make a new plane. Go to plane, select offset from plane, select this top face, go to front view. We want a plane at mid of this. So we'll give minus 1.2. Okay, till here the plane will be constructed and press OK. Okay, now select this new plane, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Now we are going to make the V profile. Go to line and make a line here and here, this and this. Make it half first. Okay, join it and escape. Now we'll constrain it. Go to dimension. From here this will be 1.2. Okay, go to coincident, select this point and select this edge. Go to dimension and here give the dimension as 5 mm. Okay, now escape. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this edge and select this edge. Okay, so this will be inside the L bending, this edge. Okay, now go to mirror. Now we are going to mirror this complete. Go to mirror line, select the center line, apply and done. Now go to line and join this for a closed profile. Escape. Now here select the center, make it a construction geometry. Okay. Now finish sketch. Here go to face command, select this profile, so it will face up to this top, okay, of 1.2 mm. Press OK. Now you can see a matching profile. Okay. Now here we have a whole profile also. So select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, go to circle command, make a circle over here. So the circle of 3.5 dia, go to dimension. The center from this outer edge will also of 3.5. Okay. Go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select the center. Okay. Go to sheet metal, take cut, go to home. Here up to thickness the cut depth will be and press OK. Okay. Now I want this complete profile this side also. Okay. So here go to mirror features and here take cut, face 2 and cut 2. Go to mirror plane and select the XY plane. Rotate the view. Here you can see all the profiles. Press OK. Now here you can see the final. Select this, right click, turn off the visibility. Okay. Now here we are left with the mounting holes. Now for the mounting holes, select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Now take the circle command and make a circle profile over here. Okay. We are going to take a diameter of 2 mm. Go to dimension. From this outer edge, this will be at a distance of 1.75. Okay. And from the center, select the circle. So it will select the center and select the center point. So the center to center distance here will be of 17 mm. Okay. Now I want this circle on this and this. So go to line, make a center line over here. Okay. Till this, escape, and similarly go to line once again and select the center and here select this center. Escape. So we have two center lines. To make it more clear, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Here you can see the lines. Select this, go to sketch, make it a construction geometry. Select this, make it a construction geometry. Okay. And select these all, make them also construction, and select this also, make it construction. Okay. Only this will be left in this solid. Select this also, make it construction. Now here go to mirror, select this, so go to mirror line and select this horizontal line. Apply and done. Go to mirror again, select both the circles this time. Go to mirror line and select the vertical line. Apply and done. Okay. Now go to sheet metal, take cut, select all the 4 circles. Okay. Go to home and here we are taking a depth of cut will be the same of sheet metal thickness. Here we are changing it to shaded with edges. So to make it more clear and press OK. So these are the mounting holes. Okay. Now here go to the corner chamfer and take here a distance of 2 mm. Go to corner selection, select this corner, this, rotate, select here, here and here. Okay. And press OK. So this is the final. You can assign the appearance. Okay. One thing more is left. So go to 3D model, take here the fillet command and we are taking a radius of 1.2. Go to edge selection, select top edge and select this top. Press OK. Okay. Now this is complete. Now from here I'll assign it as yellow color type Y and click here. Okay, if you want to make a flat pattern of this, so go to sheet metal and take here create flat pattern. So it will construct the flat pattern of this sheet. Okay, and these are the bending lines. Okay, so go back to the folded part. So this is the back to the folded part. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.